What is the important point? Let us decide again. Try to find out what is our aim. We are on this earth, on this planet. What we have to do? We are having many teachings in our home, teachings given by parents, by friends, by teachers, by so many things. What teachings are given? Okay, my aim is to get good job, having good salary. We want to make a house, we have to purchase a car. We need secured money. We need companion, fellowship. Oh, this is aim. Somebody says, no, if you are doing job, anytime you will be fired. Then we want to do business. We want to become our own just controller. If I will do business, I will have more security. Okay, all right, this is second aim. Third aim, no, I want to teach. I want to become teacher of a school, college, university. I want to do this. This is so many varieties. I want to do cultivation, farming, agriculture farming. Because plant-based nutrition is the best for human being. Therefore, we want to dedicate my life for farming, agriculture farming, to produce grains, seeds and fruits in plenty, should be available for all. This is so many aims and objects. But remember, if try to do that, you will find we are not having real peace and joy. Because the persons who are guiding, our aim is farming, agriculture farming, our aim is to do job, to do business, to get teaching profession, so many things. They are not happy. Who guided me, they don't feel eternal peace and joy. This is the important point to understand. They are having all the time fear. They have insecurity. They have fear of death. Then they cannot tell me what is the aim of life. Let us try to search someone who is having no fear. Victory over death. Okay, all right. Now we got many prophets who incarnated on this earth and taught the philosophy and principle how to live. In that what he has taught, that there is someone who is God. God is having infinite love for us. And what is the meaning of infinite love? If God is having infinite love, He is omnipotent, He has all power, He is having all knowledge, He has infinite love, then it is most important thing to know that when I came in this world, when we incarnated in this form, God must have supplied all things what we need. What we need? Knowledge of all kinds. We do not want to die. We want to learn what is the science of death. We want to know the knowledge how to die and how to arise at will. As we enter into deep sleep, then we are awake. In the same way, we want knowledge of death. We want knowledge how to enter into heaven with the body. Anybody has done it? Yes. History explains, history tells that Yudhishthir, he entered heaven with his visible form. Sabari, she entered heaven with this visible form. And Bhagwan Ram, great incarnation, in the past descending Treta, he entered himself and along with the all fellows of Ayodhya, all entered into heaven with body. Then we want that knowledge. We want greatest knowledge how to enter into heaven with this body. And we want to know something more. We want to disappear whenever we want. We want to reappear whenever we want. We want to make this body according to our aim. We want to change our bones and muscles. We want to change our eyes and ear. All these knowledge we want. This is what is our aim. Then how to seek the knowledge, how to get it? We are born with the knowledge. Head to toes what we have. It is compact knowledge of all things. How to reappear, disappear, how enter into heaven with this head to toes, how to make bone and muscles, how to make eyes and ear, how to make this each and every part of head to toes, how to make a change, how to keep it till we need. Then we must remember, head to toes is presence of all things, and we are with this. Now only one aim, to learn science of concentration on head to toes. And what you feel, accept it. Never use the language of pain and pleasure, comfort, discomfort, likes and dislikes. Have only one language, joyful, sincere concentration on head to toes. There is only one aim. And when we have this aim, at the same time, just practice it more and more. How to practice? This is what Kriya Yoga meditation is. It means practicing Kriya Yoga meditation is our aim. But when we practice, we must remember 2 points. Banat banjai. Never be in a hurry that you will learn immediately. It will take time. Keep on practicing more and more. One day we will get it. The next important instructions, karmadevadhikaraste mam phalesh kadachan. What does it mean? Try to practice without fruit of action. When you practice, never have desire to get the complete knowledge. Then how to practice? We will not have motivation. No. First try to know it. Head to toes is presence of all knowledge, what we need. Then keep on concentrating on it and never try to observe each and every day how much knowledge we get. This is called seeking fruit of action. Never do that. Then what we have to do? Keep on practicing more and more until we realize practice is bliss. Practice is ever new joy. The moment we realize practice is ever new joy, then we will practice this. Karmadevadhikaraste mam phalesh kadachan. When we feel practice is bliss, then we realize me who is practicing and the technique Kriya Yoga meditation and the ultimate achievement, complete unit of knowledge, all three become one. There is no space between me and Kriya Yoga meditation and complete unit of knowledge. This is what we need. We want to experience this complete unit of knowledge and Kriya Yoga meditation and me, all are one. Then how to achieve this stage? Just start practicing. Now we are ready to practice concentration on self. With this aim, it is presence of knowledge of all kinds.